Hold on a second, cut. There's a laughing gas replacing Wenda. Whoa, I know there's a laughing gas here.
I don't know thee, but also lime thee, fill in the tank.
Okay. Now it's done. I will try to Simon. Well, I have to fill with more tank.
Oh no, the laughing gas is broken!
Yeah, I agree with Pinky, so what are we gonna do now? Well, I don't wanna be like these guys. Don't worry, Sky. You never smell the laughing gas. It will just... Too late, Clucker. I'm about to laugh. Sky, please stop laughing. It makes everyone laugh. Uh-oh, I